My name's Alexa, and I'm the Livin' the Dream girl. I'm a free spirit with an old soul who has a bit of hippie in her heart. I'm always down for epic adventures, and this just so happens to be the one I'm currently embarking on. Meet Billie. She's a 60 square foot home on wheels. People look at her as a van, but to me, she's my home. This lifestyle gives me the opportunity to live the dream, my dream. Since I'm on the road full-time, I can't take much with me, and my space is very limited. Splice clothing gives me options to travel comfortably, giving me so much versatility to mix and match, and also to feel good in what I'm wearing, which is something that is so hard to find. My adventure gives me all those warm and fuzzy feelings, the cloud9 moments when you just need someone to pinch you. Here's to acknowledging moments as they happen and having the adventure of my life. So happy that Splice clothing gets to travel alongside with me.